Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're lock and loaded, ready to go to our trip to Nambucca. I've got the trailer fully loaded, ready to go. This will be a nice adventure. See you out there. Right, so we're at Nambucca Heads at the Pelican Resort camping grounds, and this is the setup. Just in the background you've got Victor and Coley. It's set up over there. So yeah, it's beautiful out here. We've already been out today. I was able to get out this afternoon and catch some good flatties. That was a bit of fun. Anyways, just thought I'd check in, and yeah, anyway, can't wait until tomorrow morning and we'll go give it a good crack. See you out there.